For over a decade, we've been glued to these little rectangles of glass and metal, tapping, swiping, and doom scrolling our way through life. But that's about to change. Smartphones are going to die, and big tech companies have pretty much launched a full-scale war for what replaces them. When the first iPhone launched in 2007, it changed everything. Suddenly, we had the internet, a camera, and a personal assistant in our pockets. Fast forward to today, and well, not much has changed. Sure, screens are bigger, cameras are sharper, and AI is starting to help. But at the end of the day, it's still an inferior product of what's about to come. And tech giants know it. That's why Apple, Google, Meta, and even Elon Musk are in an all-out race to build the next big device. Because whoever replaces the smartphone, they're looking at a $1 trillion jackpot. So what are the possibilities? Well, there's a few. Let's rank the possibilities from least to most likely so I can get more watch time and maybe even, finally monetized on YouTube by this year. Starting with number 3, Neuralink brain chip. Instead of carrying a phone or wearing glasses, what if you could just think your texts into existence? That's exactly what Elon Musk's company, Neuralink, is trying to do. They've already implanted brain chips in humans, and in the future, Musk claims these devices could let you control computers, communicate telepathically, and even replace smartphones entirely. Just imagine scrolling TikTok or, watching some interesting videos with your mind. Of course, that also means companies would have direct access to your brain. And if you thought targeted ads were creepy now, just wait until your own thoughts start generating them. So, plugging your brain directly into the internet doesn't seem like the best idea. Number 2, holographic displays. What if the future of smartphones isn't a device at all? Companies like Humane and Rabbit are working on AI-powered gadgets that ditch screens entirely. Instead, they use voice control, project holograms into the air, and act as personal AI assistants that follow you everywhere. No screens, no notifications. Just an AI-powered assistant that understands you, responds in real time, and doesn't demand constant attention. In theory, it sounds like the perfect fix for our screen addiction. But if you've seen any of MKBHD's videos, then you already know the current state of these products. And honestly, they kind of suck. That's why the next device is most likely the future. Number 1, augmented reality glasses. Think about it. Why pull out a phone when your messages, maps, and apps can appear right in front of you? Instead of staring down at a screen, you'll just look, speak, and interact with the digital world like it's part of real life. Need directions? They float in your vision. A video call? Just talk like the person standing there. Apple's already working on AR glasses that could replace the iPhone. Meta is spending billions on smart eyewear, and Google is making a comeback after that whole Google Glass disaster. And let's be honest, if these companies are throwing billions into this tech, they're not doing it for fun. So is the smartphone going to die soon? Not yet. But within the next decade, it's probably going to look very different, or disappear entirely. Maybe we'll be thinking our messages straight into the cloud. Or maybe we'll just be living in a world where AI handles everything, and we don't need a device at all. But whatever happens, one thing's for sure. In the future, you won't be holding your phone. You'll be kind of inside it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Unless, AI takes over and starts making these videos for me.